So I'm back from my hair appointment and I put my scarf on to lay my edges down, of course, because why not? Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick little makeup routine. Probably not gonna talk through it because my fiance is playing music and I'm not gonna go, you know, tell him to turn it off or whatever. Just let him do that while he's doing whatever he's doing. And I'm gonna do my quick little makeup routine, but I will show you the products that I'm using in the video. And I might do a voiceover, but if I don't, you are gonna see the products so you'll know what I'm using and what I'm doing. And yeah, I will be back to show you my hair after I'm done doing my makeup. Okay, so this is the finished look. Pretty simple. I didn't do anything, you know, super spectacular. This lip is kind of dark. It's all good. It is a dark lip, but I like it. I like brown lipstick. I probably could have put a nude in the center to try to lighten it up, but it is what it is. As far as my hair, this is it after the retighten. I know somebody had asked me something about my grid. I hope you can see. I'm not like a super stickler when it comes to my grid, mainly because I had to combine some of them. Let me see if I can get the center part. So I had to combine some of them, so it's not gonna be a perfect grid, but it's not terrible. I'm okay with how it looks. Yeah, so let me show you the side. I'll show you this side. So yeah, month 11 on the 5th of this month. So I am exactly 11 months as of, what's today? Saturday, Thursday of this week. So yeah, next month will be my 1 year locked anniversary, and I am happy with the way that my hair is turning out, the way it's progressing. It's growing, it seems pretty healthy. I like it. I'll give you a quick little update. My hair is okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Some of them are like really lumpy, just a few, but some of them that were like that have straightened out on their own. So I'm just gonna leave it, you know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna try to do anything extra to it. For instance, this one was kind of lumpy, it's not anymore. But like, since they're straightened out on their own, I'm gonna just let them do their thing, and however they end, you know, turn out, that's how they will be. I was initially thinking about getting the crochet method to help with that and like get all those like single strands to go back into the lock itself, but I'm just gonna let my hair do what it's doing because it's fine. I'm okay with it. I guess I can show you a quick length check, but it's not really a true length check because water makes my hair shrink. But I'll show you and maybe put a comparison. So this is the side. The back. And show you the other side really quick. And this is the other side. So I guess my hair is growing. I don't know. I don't really be paying attention to it for real. Sometimes I'm like, oh, my hair do look longer, but then sometimes I'm like, I don't even know what's going on here. Is it growing or what? I really do feel like it's just growing and shrinking at the same time, but it's all good. I'm still happy with my hair, and I'm still loving my lock journey. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave any comments down below that you like. If you have any questions for me, leave them down below. If you want to know anything else about my locks, you can leave them down below, because I don't really have much to update you guys about, because not much has changed with my hair. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.